Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with TikTok Ads Manager for AI performance reporting, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with TikTok Ads Manager for AI performance reporting, begin by visiting the TikTok Ads Manager website. Log into your existing TikTok Ads account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by clicking the Sign Up button. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section of the dashboard. In the settings, look for the API Access or Integration option. Click on this option to access the API documentation. Review the documentation for required credentials, including App ID and App Secret. Generate your API key by clicking the Create button or a similar option. Ensure you save your generated API key in a secure location. Next, you will need to set up OAuth for authentication. This involves redirecting to the TikTok authorization endpoint. Specify the scopes you wish to access, such as campaign data and reporting insights. After setting up the authorization, retrieve the authorization code. Use this code to request an access token from TikTok's token endpoint. Once you receive the access token, store it securely for future API requests. Now, configure your API client using the access token for authentication. Begin making calls to the TikTok Ads API to pull performance data as required. Use the provided endpoints such as campaign statistics and ad performance for your reports. Monitor your requests to ensure you are complying with rate limits and best practices. Regularly refresh your access token as required to maintain seamless access. Finally, analyze the data pulled from the API using your preferred reporting tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.